Hello, friends. They see that elephants never forget. Their memory is sharper than humans. They remember love and they remember betrayal. Today's story is about a majestic elephant named Gajraj who carried the face of his enemy in his mind for 20 long years. An enemy who stole his childhood. They say time heals all wounds, but for Gajraj, time only fueled his rage. What happened 20 years ago, and how did Gajraj take his revenge? Let's find out. The story begins 20 years ago. The jungle was peaceful. Little Gajraj was playing by the river with his mother. Suddenly, the silence was broken by the roar of an engine. A red jeep arrived. Inside sat Raka, a cruel poacher who hunted elephants for their ivory tusks. Raka saw the mother elephant's magnificent tusks. Greed filled his eyes. He didn't hesitate. He raised his rifle and bang! With a single shot, Gajraj's mother fell to the ground. Terrified, little Gajraj hid behind the tall grass, trembling. Raka laughed as he took the ivory and drove away. But as he left, Gajraj saw Raka's face clearly. He saw a distinct burn mark on Raka's right hand. That day, Gajraj didn't cry. Instead, a fire of vengeance was lit in his heart. Years passed, seasons changed. Gajraj was no longer a helpless baby. He had grown into the jungle's most powerful tusker. His trumpet alone was enough to make tigers clear the path. But destiny has a strange way of working. Raka, now an old man, returned to the same jungle for one last big hunt. He spotted Gajraj. Seeing those massive tusks, Raka's greed returned. He thought, "This beast will make me rich for the rest of my life." He dug a deep pit trap on Gajraj's path and hid in the bushes waiting. But Raka forgot one thing. This was the same elephant he had orphaned 20 years ago. Gajraj was walking down his usual path. Suddenly, he froze. Elephants have an incredible sense of smell. Gajraj picked up a scent in the wind, a familiar, disgusting scent, the smell of gunpowder, diesel, and that man. Gajraj looked through the bushes and saw the old red jeep. Then he saw the man holding the gun. He saw the burn mark on his hand. The memory of his mother's death flashed before his eyes. This time Gajraj didn't hide. He let out a deafening trumpet, an angry elephant trumpet. He charged straight at Raka's jeep like an unstoppable tank. Raka tried to shoot, but fear paralyzed him. Gajraj rammed into the jeep, flipping it over like a toy. Raka crawled out, terrified, looking up at the giant beast. Gajraj placed his heavy foot right next to Raka's chest. He looked into Raka's eyes, letting him know, "I remember you." Gajraj didn't kill him. He didn't need to. He destroyed Raka's pride and his vehicle, leaving him to walk back in shame. Raka fled the jungle, never to return. Friends, karma always finds its way back. If you loved Gajraj's story, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.